Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Instagram filters not showing up, Instagram effects not showing up. So this is a problem. So you can try to close the app first, and first thing to do, try to update via Play Store. You can search Instagram manually here, and then try to update into the latest version of the app. You have to wait the app installation here, and mostly if you update the Instagram, all the problem, not only the filter effects, all the problem you encounter will be fixed. So this is first thing to do. This is important step. Update your Instagrams. And also, if your Instagram is up to date, you can try to clear the case. You can hold the Instagram icon, tap app info. Here you can try to clear the cache by access storage usage here and clear cache. And you can consider to clear the data, but you have to relog in into your account. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.